Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Janan Classes. Today we discuss about Computer Fundamental Part 3. Let's see 101 number question. What was the expected feature of 5th generation computer when Japan started FGCS? Feature of 5th generation is in the option number B, the correct answer. Parallel processing is the right answer. Parallel processing. Next question. Which of the following memory medium is not used as a main memory medium? In main memory system, which of the following is not used? Magnetic core is also used in main memory system. Semiconductor also used, but magnetic tape is not used in main memory system. Go to next question. The storage subsystem in a micro computer consists of mainly dash or dash media with the varying capacities. Which of the following is correct answer? In option B, magnetic and optical. Magnetic and optical media used to storage microcomputers. Next question. Programs designed to perform specific task is known as. Programs designed to perform specific task is known as. What is the answer? Application software is the correct answer. Computer operators. What is computer operators? Computer operators are in the option B, operate the device which input and output data from the computer. Operate device which input and output data from the computer. Go to next question. Which of the following is not an antivirus software? NAV is antivirus software, FPROT antivirus software, MCAP is also antivirus, but in the option number C, Oracle is not an antivirus software. Go to next question. What is compiler? Compiler is a convert whole of a higher level program code into machine code in one step. In the option number B is the correct answer. Go to next question. Dash computers are also called personal computers. Personal computers are microcomputers. Microcomputers are personal computers. Go to next question. Which of the following is not input unit device? Scanner input device, camera input, digitizer also input, but plotter is not input device, it is output device, it is a printer. Go to next question. Identify the correct statement. Which of the following is correct statement? In the option number C, IBM used CISC CPU design. Go to next question. Which of the following statement is false? In this question, mechanical analog computers have existed for 1000 years. It is correct. In option B, there are mechanical analog computers and electronic analog computers. It is also correct. All electronic computers are digital computers. It is not correct. Go to next question. Which of the following require large computer memory? In the use of imaging, graphics and voice require large computer memories. In option D, all of the above is correct. Which of the following is machine independent program? Which of the following machine is independent program? High level language is independent program. Go to next question. When was the first electromechanical computer developed? In 1944, electromechanical computer developed. The first machine to successfully perform a long series of arithmetic and logical operation was. Which of the following long arithmetic and logical operation was successfully calculated? In option B, Mark 1 is the correct. Which one is the largest space? In the following, terabyte is the largest, but yottabyte also largest. Go to next question. Fortran program language is more suitable for. In the option number C, scientific application. Fortran programming language is more suitable for scientific application. Next question. The brain of any computer system is called. All of you know this answer. Central processing unit is the right answer. Go to next question. Analog computers works on the supply of continuous electrical pulses. Analog computers works on the supply of continuous electrical pulses. Go to next question. An error software or hardware called bug. What is the alternative computer jargon for it? In option D, glitch is the right answer. The advantage of computers are its dash and dash. In option A, compact size and speed reliability are advantages of computer. What is the abbreviation of BIOS? In the option A, basic input output device is the correct answer. Go to next question. Which printer is very commonly used for desktop publishing? In desktop publishing, which of the following printer is used? Laser printer is used. Desktop printer, laser desktop publishing used also laser printer. Next question. IBM 1401 is a second generation computer. Go to next question. Most of the first generation computers were special purpose computers. First generation computers, most of these are special purpose computers. Floppy disk typically in diameter. Which of the following is the diameter of floppy disk? All of the above. Next question. The output quality of a printer is measured by. Repeated question. Dot per square inch. Option B is the correct answer. On a PC, how much memory is available to application software? 640 KB. Next question. In a computer, dash is capable to store single binary bit. Option B, flip flop. In a computer, flip flop is capable to store single binary bit. Next question. What is DMA stands for? DMA stands for direct memory access. In the option B is the correct answer. Who invented integrated circuit? Most important question exam point of view. Both Jack Kilby and Robert Noyce invented integrated circuit. Next question. Operating system editors and debuggers comes under what? System software. These are all belongs to system software. Operating system, editors, debuggers are all the system softwares. Next question. One computer that not considered as a portable. Which of the following computer is not portable? Mini computer, laptop, notebook computer. In the option A is the correct answer. 134. Which of the following is not a electronic computer? Option number B, ABC. ABC is not an electronic computer. Option number B is the correct. What is the name of the display feature that highlights R of the screen which requires operator attention? 135. B is the correct answer, reverse video. Next question, which is the largest computer? Mainframe computer is the largest computer in this option. Option A is the correct answer. Which of the following are best units of data on the external storage device? Bytes. Option B is correct. The personal computers in industry was started by IBM. Personal computer industry started by IBM. Next question, what is meant by dedicated computers? What is dedicated computer? Which assigned one and only one task. Which assigned one and one task, it is called dedicated. Next question, which programming language are classified as low level language? Option D, assembly language is called low level language. What was main disadvantages of vacuum tubes? Important question. They produced heat and often burnt out. In the option number C is the correct answer. Registers which are partially visible to users and used to hold conditional are known as general purpose register. Option number C is the correct. Which is not a computer of first generation? Option number D, it is belongs to second generation computer, but IBM 360, UNIVAC and ENIAC are belongs to first generation. Registers which are partially visible to users and used to hold conditional codes are known as flags. Next question, who invented vacuum tubes? Vacuum tubes invented by Lee De Forest. In the option number C is correct. An approach that permits the computer to work on several programs instead of one. In 146, C, overlapped processing. Who suggested stored program concept? Program concept suggested by John Newman. Next question, the central processing unit consists of control unit, arithmetic logic unit and primary storage. In the option C, correct. The notable feature like keyboards, monitors and GUI were developed in 149 C, third generation. Keyboard, monitor and GUI are developed in third generation. UNIVAC, what is the full form of UNIVAC? Universal Automatic Computer is the right answer.